Every day, millions of us consume sugar without even realizing how much it's affecting our bodies and minds. But what really happens when you quit sugar? In this video, we'll explore the real impact of sugar, how to cut it out, and the incredible changes your body can experience. Sugar is everywhere, not just in desserts, but in salad dressings, sauces, breads, and so-called healthy snacks. Too much sugar leads to weight gain, fatigue, inflammation, and heart disease. It's highly addictive. The more you eat, the more you crave. You don't have to go cold turkey. Swap sugary drinks for water with lemon. Replace desserts with fruit or dark chocolate. Choose whole, unprocessed foods. Add fiber and protein to meals. They stabilize blood sugar and reduce cravings. Within a few days, your energy levels stabilize and you feel less bloated. By week 1, your taste buds reset. Sweet foods start to taste really sweet. After a month, clearer skin, better sleep, improved mood, and weight loss. Long-term, your disease risk drops. It's about mindset, not perfection. Be patient with yourself. Focus on building habits, not restrictions. Cutting sugar is a gift to your future self. Start small, stay consistent. You control what goes on your plate. If this helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more health tips, and share your sugar reduction journey in the comments.